Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic which is related to music. So sometimes we heard a music which is consist of different notes, content, and different rhythms, different beats. So we heard a word rhythm. What is meant by rhythm? Rhythm is nothing but an ordered recurrent alternation of strong and weak elements in the flow of sound. That is, we have to orderly arrange and which are alternative of strong and weak elements when the sound flows takes place. There are some elements in the rhythm. They are tempo, content, quality, beat, pitch, meter, intensity and note. Here these are elements or units. These units or elements combine together to form a rhythm. Today we are going to discuss about an unit or element of a rhythm, that is beats. Normally beats are the main ancient or rhythmic unit of a music. Now we know about the normal definition of beats, but now we have to discuss about the definition of beats and the full topic of beats in terms of physics. Then the definition of beats in terms of physics are when two vibrating bodies of slightly different frequencies are sounded together, there is waxing and waning. This phenomenon is called as beats. For example, we have to take two tuning forks of slightly different in the frequencies. For example, 450 and 480. When they are sounded together, the intensity of sound increases and decreases, hence produces waxing and waning. This phenomenon is called as beats. Here we observe waxing and waning. What is meant by waxing and waning? The intensity of sound increases when the tuning forks are started vibrating by adding the frequencies of both two tuning forks. Sometimes we get large amount of sound. Sometimes we get small amount of sound. That is, the intensity of sound increases is nothing but waxing. Intensity of sound decreases is nothing but waning. Now every object have its own frequency. For example, each tuning forks have different frequencies, have their own frequencies. So beat has also its own frequency, that is number of beats heard per second. It is represented by FB is equals to F1 minus F2. Now we have to prove this equation FB is equals to F1 minus F2, where FB represents beat frequency, F1 is the frequency of a first tuning fork or first wave, F2 is frequency of a second tuning fork or second wave. This is proved by mathematically. So we have to consider two sound waves, each of amplitude A and slightly different frequencies F1 and F2 respectively, which are traveling in a same direction. So there are three conditions to prove this beat frequency. So that are, there must be two sound waves, maybe more, but at least they must have two sound waves having same amplitude but slightly difference in their frequencies, and the both sound waves should be travel in a same direction. So now we have to determine the displacement of a particle present in each wave. So y1 is equals to a sine 2 pi f1t, where y1 represents the displacement of a particle present in the first equation. A is amplitude of first wave or first wave. Sine is a wave function. Then y2 is equals to a sine 2 pi f2t, where y2 represents the displacement of a particle present in a second wave. Then, according to the principle of superposition, the resultant displacement is given by y is equals to y1 plus y2. We have to know this principle by using a graph, that is, so here you can observe three graphs of waves. The first two represents the individual motion of a sound waves. So you can see the dotted lines which are present vertically on the waves. So they are for each time interval. Dotted lines are for each time of interval. So you can observe the second dot where the wave is below the equilibrium position on the first wave, and which means the wave is present on the trough, and the wave is moving on the crest in the second wave. So when they are superimposed with each other, they get cancelled, and you can see the result see that there is no production of energy or wave. Hence, that point is to be a node. Similarly, you can observe the first dotted line. Both the waves are on the crest. When they added together, the energy of two waves add up together and forms a amplitude which was greater when compared to those two waves. So here we can see waxing and waning, where the first dotted line in the seeth graph, we can observe that the first dotted line has maximum amplitude and second dotted line has minimum amplitude, that is maybe 0. Hence here first dotted line explains waxing and second dotted line explains waning. This is how superposition principle is applied. Then y is equals to y1 plus y2. We have to add both waves, both displacement for waves. Y is equals to a sin 2 pi f1t plus a sin 2 pi f2t. By we can see that a is common in both terms. So take a common. A is into sin 2 pi f1t plus sin 2 pi f2t. We can clearly indicate that the inner term present in the bracket is similar to sin c plus sin d. We know that sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So by using this formula, we get y is equals to a into 2 sin 2 pi f1 plus f2 by 2 into t cos 2 pi f1 minus f2 by 2 into t. Then by simplifying, we get y is equals to 2a cos 2 pi f1 minus f2 by 2 t into sin 2 pi f1 plus f2 by 2 into t is represented by equation 1. Then consider y is equals to r sin 2 pi ft. Consider as equation 2. By comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we get that r is equals to 2a cos 2 pi f1 minus f2 by 2 into t, and f is equals to f1 plus f2 by 2. Then we have for maximum value of r, which means that the cos is maximum at plus or minus 2a. So the maximum value of r is equals to plus or minus 2a. When we put plus or minus 2a in place of r, 2a get cancels each other. We obtain cos 2 pi into f1 minus f2 by 2 into t is equals to plus or minus 1. That is 2 pi into f1 minus f2 by 2 into t is equals to n pi. This is obtained from a trigonometric values. Then where n equals to 0, 1, 2, then t is equals to n by f1 minus f2. You can here observe that 2 pi, 2 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, which remains f1 minus f2 into t is equals to n. Then t is equals to n by f1 minus f2. Put n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Thus, resultant amplitude and intensity of sound is maximum at t is equals to 0. If n equals to 0, t equals to 0. If n is equals to 1, t is equals to 1 by f1 minus f2. n is equals to 2, t is equals to 2 by f1 minus f2. So, T1 is 0, T2 is 1 by F1 minus F2, T3 is 2 by F1 minus 2, F2, T4 is 3 by F1 minus F2 and respectively. Thus, time interval between two consecutive maximum, that is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3 gives the value 1 by F1 minus F2. Hence, the time interval between two consecutive maxima T is equals to 1 by F1 minus F2. We know that T is the reciprocal of frequency. Hence, F is equals to F1 minus F2 hertz, which is a frequency of maxima. Then we have to know for minimum value. The minimum value of R is 0 is obtained when cos 2 pi into F1 minus F2 by 2 into T is equals to 0. So, here cos 0 is equals to cos 2n plus 1 by 2 by using trigonometric values. So, cos get cancelled. In LHS side, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Pi present at LHS and RHS get cancelled. So, we get F1 minus F2 into T is equals to 2n plus 1 by 2. So, when T is equals to 2n plus 1 by 2 into F1 minus F2, we have to put n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and respectively. So, at n equals to 0, T is equals to 1 by 2 into F1 minus F2. N equals to 1, T is equals to 3 by 2 F1 minus F2. When n equals to 2, T is equals to 5 by 2 into F1 minus F2 and respectively. So, T1 is 1 by 2 into F1 minus F2, T2 is 3 by 2 into F1 minus F2, T3 is 5 by 2 into F1 minus F2. By subtracting T2 and T1, T3 and T2, we get T is equals to 1 by F1 minus F2. That is, time interval between two consecutive minima gives as 1 by F1 minus F2. We know that T is equals to reciprocal of frequency. Hence, frequency of minima is F1 minus F2 hertz. So, that is the number of times the sound intensity reaches in case of both maximum value and minimum value is F1 minus F2 per second, that is hertz. Hence, time interval between two consecutive maxima is equals to the interval or time interval between two consecutive minima. Hence, beat frequency is FB is equals to F1 minus F2, where the beat frequency expression has been proved. Thank you for watching. This is Nagasahana Palla, Department of Physics from Duddupudi Women's Degree College, Sindhanur. Thank you. Recurrent alternation of strong and weak elements in the flow of sound is nothing but rhythm, which means that we have to arrange alternatively of strong and weak elements when the sound flows takes place. It's nothing but rhythm. So we observe here that strong and weak elements, what are those? Those are nothing but some elements which combines together to form a rhythm. Some are tempo, content, quality, beat, pitch, meter, intensity and note. These elements combine together to form a rhythm. So, today we are going to discuss about one of the element of a rhythm, that is beats. So, normally what is beat? Normally beats are nothing but main ancient or rhythmic unit of a music is nothing but beats. So, today now we have a normal definition for beats. Now we have to study about the beats in physical term. That is, the definition of beats is when two vibrating bodies of slightly different frequencies are sounded together, there is waxing and waning. This phenomenon is called as beats. For example, you can take two tuning forks of slightly different in their frequencies. For example, you can take 480 frequency of one tuning fork and another is 450. So there is a slight difference in the frequencies. When they combined and together start their vibrations, produces waxing and waning. So this phenomenon is nothing but beats. Here we observed waxing and waning. What is meant by waxing and waning? So when we vibrate those tuning forks, sometimes we can hear a lot maximum sound, sometimes it has minimum sound. So the intensity of sound when increases, it's known as waxing, and when intensity of sound decreases, it is waning. So now we have to we know that each tuning fork has its own frequency. So here beat is also having its own frequency. It is known as number of beats heard per second. It is represented by FB is equals to F1 minus F2, where FB represents the beat frequency, F1 represents the frequency of a first tuning fork, and F2 represents the tuning frequency of a second tuning fork. Then we have to prove the expression FB is equals to F1 minus F2 by following procedure. Let us take two